I'm here with George Vidal. All right. And George is from Houston, Texas. George came in to learn more about auto detailing. He runs a very successful business already in Houston. Can you tell us the name of your business and what you guys do?
Yeah, so my business is called A Plus Car Stereo and Window Tint, and we specialize in window tint, any kind of 12 volt, solutions, vehicle wrap, PPF, color change or commercial. And I wanted to start incorporating the detail part of it, which is the detailing, paint correction, ceramic coating,
Ceramic, sure.
and I've learned a lot here. We pretty much did the whole 9 yards on a vehicle here, and we got a lot of training.
Yeah,
A
let
lot
me
of
pan over to that.
sure,
Yeah, you
sure.
guys just did a excellent job because this thing looked horrible coming in.
Yeah,
I
oh
think
yeah,
Nissan Rogue. I think we increased the value probably about by $5,000.
easy.
It
Yeah,
looks
for
great.
sure.
So, do you feel that what you learned this weekend for detailing and ceramic coatings, you'll be able to go back, train your
Oh
guys,
yeah, a
and,
hundred
and add
percent.
another revenue stream to your
Yeah, not
business?
only that, but he also left us with a booklet with detailed information on
Everything.
everything we learned here. So I'm gonna go back home and just go over all of it, perfect the craft, and go from there.
Excellent. Great student,
Yeah.
man. You are now Detail Czar certified.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Great
you, Nick. I
student. Thank
appreciate it,
you.
brother. Awesome.
Really greatly appreciate it.